Just find the right place in the program, make the appropriate change, and we'll run the whole thing again. Speech is still very complicated. Music is simpler.
Is that a question?
Yes.
The question is futile.
My interpretation of the data leaves little room for error. The art of leadership is delegation.
That information is not available. This constitutes all available data.
You know what they say, no good deed goes unpunished.
Evening. Welcome. Here's another one. Let's do some show and tell. Here it is. So I managed to, after a few iterations and messing around, got a plastic keypad based on the RFID reader. And there it is. It's managed to 3D print 2 colours. So anyway, that's that. Internal, obviously it's not waterproof. I've just printed a 10 PCB to put the buttons in to get it to click. Okay, so there's that. Right, okay. Obviously it comes off. Cover comes off like that. So you can screw it to the wall, whether you want to pot it or if we put a base on it. So you screw it in and you put your little cover over the top, like so, and that's it. Okay, that's out of the way. Alright then, what else we got? Oh yeah, we've had some displays come. AliExpress, here they are, 5 displays. Now these are the blue ones. They're volts, 2-wire voltmeters. 0 to whatever, 100 volts I believe. Anyway, they're for a project, but I did order white ones as well. 5 white, 5 blue. Only came as 5 blue. So there's that. And those are for this little project here. These dongles. Okay. So these little 3D printed parallel serial port dongles for retro computers. So there's that. Then we had some PCB way, which is not a... Yep. We had these made. These are someone else's design. And the idea of these is to save the wiring. Because I was going to wire them like this. Too fiddly and messy. So I decided to do it another way. So here's the new way. So basically you get the PCB and you just slot it in there, line it all up and just solder them in, and the PCB does the wiring. And these have got the LEDs, but I'm not going to bother with the LEDs. I'm going to wire the little voltmeters. Anyway, so that's that out of the way. What else have we got going on? Oh yeah, picked up 6 of these servo motors. Amazon actually picked up 6 for £1 in a charity shop that does Amazon returns. So I've got another somewhere. Where they are, I don't know. There they are. There's the rest of them. So that was a bit of a bargain, wasn't it? 6 for £1. Anyway, so we're going to model this in a bit. Well, next. Going to model this servo, and I'll tell you why I need to model the servo. Because I want to create, everyone says don't bother, it's a waste of time, but I want to create, I did have one actually, a little automatic barrier. I made a model, put it somewhere, don't know where it is now. Anyway, so we're going to create a little model of an automatic barrier, and this is going to be the motor that runs it. So we're going to make a boom that fits on there. And we're going to have a little ESP32 microcontroller in it that opens and closes it, and we're going to have it simulate limits, outputs and different things so we can switch traffic lights. Okay, let's get on with it then. And I didn't actually run SketchUp yet, so let's get SketchUp up and running. So these are quite surprisingly quite tight to turn. You can just about hear them now, can you hear them? Yeah, pretty tight, so it's high gear in that one. Unless, of course, the grease is that old, it's seizing up. Anyway, we've got 6 of them. So I want to. Oh, it came with a pack of bits, actuator arms, and different things. I'm probably just going to use the one that's on it to tell you the truth. Anyway, there's that. Also, I'm going to be making. This is a dipole center for amateur radio. I've got this angle dipole center, and I've got this standard dipole. It uses 3/8 thread, 24, so fine thread. And the idea is I've got a couple of AMI Pro 40 whips to put in here, so make a dipole. So for 40 meters, so one up, one down. So what I'm going to do though is we're not going to use this. I want to make a fan dipole multi-band based on part of an idea that I was doing a while ago on a millionaire plate out with. So what we're going to do, we can have 2 driven plates, round plates about 200mm with studs on them. So where are the studs? Put it somewhere. Saw it the other day. There it is. Yeah. So we're going to order some of these studs, these, and the antenna. It's the same as what's in there. So basically, we're going to unscrew them. Instead of having an insulator, we're going to screw that straight to a driven plate, a round plate, a bit like a DX Commander type of thing. And then we're going to have an insulator and then another round disc for the whip to go down. So we're not having a ground plane, we're having a dipole, a tuned resonant dipole. So there'll be another whip. So you'll have one AMI Pro 40 going up, one coming down, and so on and so forth for all the different bands arranged around a disc. And the reason is I'm sick of taking the aerial up and down. I've got the Hustler 5B TV. You've got to adjust all the sections all the way up and down, bring it down, take it up, bring it down, take it up. Sick of it. So what we're going to do is tune these once, make them resonant, put them on, bolt them down, go to the next one. And then I've been told with the ChatGPT that we've got to isolate it. We've got to isolate the discs from one another and from the mounting pole. So, and we've got to not run metal pole along the side of the antenna. So somehow they recommend some kind of fiberglass or something. Anyway, there's that. And I've told we can still use earth spike, but the earth spike has to be done at the coax end, not at the end where the antenna is, because you're turning it into an end-fed half wave or end-fed antenna instead of a dipole, tuned dipole. And the bottom minus side of the dipole has got to be not put onto earth at all, not grounded or nothing. Anyway, so that will be an interesting one. So what we'll do is I've already got 2 AMI Pro 40 whips, which I bought a while ago. Here they are. There's a couple of whips. I bought them while they were in stock, because they're out of stock. So they've got the ends on them. Actually, what's that? Oh yeah, that's the whip. So there's 2. So the idea is you'd get that would be 40 meters. So you'd have to get more for the other bands, but you can put them on as you buy them. Buy the studs, mill the plate out, and put them on as you buy them, basically. So anyway, and it would look something like, let's just go back to the thumbnail. So there's your thumbnail. Oh, that's SketchUp, not thumbnail. What am I doing today? There it is. Ah, you can't You can't see me. You can't see or anything there. Let me turn me on and voice there. So the keypad, 3D printed, and I managed to do my first 2-colour 3D print. And I just layered it on 0.2mm, stuck it on, and it printed the button and the numbers. So that came out okay. I just used grey and red. It's just what materials I got left. Anyway, so that's the keypad show and tell. If you didn't see it, one more time. If you missed it, there it is in real life, and it clicky, and that's the back of it. Right. Okay. Right. What's next? Yeah. So we're going to model this servo now. I need to model this. Let's get on with modelling that. Okay. Right, so I'm going to model that. I don't think I've modelled one before. I might have done. I might well have done. I'll tell you what. Let's see if I can find one I modelled. I'm pretty sure I might have modelled one before. Let's try and have a look for one. What we got? Drop frames now. Right, SketchUp. Barrier. Is there anything called barrier here? No. Barrier. Model barrier. Don't know. I made one years ago. Don't know what that is. Save changes to nothing. No. What's this? Oh, that was one I was designing. No, that's not the one. Although that looks like one, but it's not the one. Right, so where is this barrier? God knows. I've made one out of plastic. You can never find something again, can you? Once you've never find it again. Anyway, it probably didn't do a good job of modelling it, so I'll model it again. Yeah, I just can't see it there. There's files all over the place. Right. Okay, so we'll just model it again. So we'll go new. Let's do a save as before we've got anything to save. So we'll put it in with a coin dispenser. That's it. Right, so we're going to call this one, I'll just call it a servo motor. If I could spell servo motor, that'll do. So we're going to model the servo motor. So let's set model info. I should set this as default really. Right, that should do. Oh, length snapping. Let's change that to something we can snap to. Right, that'll do. Okay, so first thing we need to do is find out the size of it. I can use calipers, I suppose, or a ruler. Let's use the calipers, maybe. Yeah, the calipers are working okay. You can't see them. Right. Just going to measure. We'll start off with a box. So the box is 40.5 by width. No, let's do height. 40.5 wide by. Oh God knows. Which way should we model it? I suppose I'll model it that way up. Yeah, I'll model it that way up. Hang on a second. Right, so I'll model it like that. So we've got 40.5 or 40.2, whatever that is. And the height, we'll go off the height here of the main body. Alright, that's 37 by 40.5. Okay, let's just start that then. Right. Right, 37 by 40.5. What is that? That didn't go right, did it? What is that? Why does it come out like that? 814? Yeah, I didn't type that. Let's try again. .37 by 4.5. What is going on? Hey. .5. Sorry, my fault. I'm actually going crazy for once, or for the second million time. Right. 40.5 by 37. Yes, that's it. Right, that's the size of it, so I need to put it up right. Done it on the wrong plane, so let's do it on the right plane. That's it, let's just spin it round. That's it, let's drag it to the corner, just like that. Let's lose the axes, we don't need the axes anymore. Right, so we've got this, and we need a thickness on it now. Thickness is easy to do. What we got? 20mm wide. Okay, 20mm wide. Right, this is our start of our servo. Right, what else do we need on it? Let's have a look. Well, I suppose we put bevel the bottom. Let's sort the bottom out first. We'll come in at the bottom. We want it to be as realistic as possible. So, what we've got sort of a bevel on it. Yeah, it looks like a 2mm bevel to me. Let's have a look. So we've got 17 and we got 20, so it's a 1.5mm bezel, and it looks like it goes all the way around. Yes, it does. So we'll just do a like that. We'll go 1.5, so that's going to be our bezel, and there are holes in the corners, so, and they do come around the bezel. Right, so okay, some little screws. Got the radio on, there's nothing much happening. I could put you on a... Oh, let's stick it on the airband, see if anything pipes up. HF's a bit dead tonight, which it will be. If you can understand what they say.
Sorry, EZ82 Hotel Lima, London Control, roger.
You're a better man than me if you can.
460 uniform echo, when you're ready, send flight level 200 to be level by bad C.
I'll probably get arrested for this. What?
EZ13 Tango uniform, descend flight level 140.
Talk too fast, can't understand it. Right, so I've got a little screw there, and it looks like, let's just measure the screw. 3.2. 3.2, so 1.6. So let's just put a little bit of a 1.6 diameter screw.
Hotel Lima, descend flight level 160. Flight level 160, EZ82 Hotel Lima.
Right, so we're going to get this now. We're going to move it to the corner somewhere like that. That's too far. So first we need to bevel it. No, we don't. We need to almost bevel it. So we need to come in a little bit.
EJ2 Hotel Lima, turn left heading 270 degrees.
So what we want to do is we need to come in. Come in a bit. What's that? A millimetre?
EJ2 Hotel Lima, route direct to Paymax.
0.5.
EZ13 Tango uniform direct to Paymax.
0.5. 0.5 and 0.5.
ET13 Tango uniform, descend
Right,
flight
so that's
level
at
100.
0.5. Now I need to work out the size of this, 3.2. So I need to go over 1.6 from the edge. 1.6. Is that right? That doesn't look right, does it? Let's keep going with it though. 1.6. 1.6. 3 kilo heavy.
Thank you very much. Direct Coxie.
Ah, I know what I've done wrong. I've done it wrong, haven't I? Yes, I need to go from there, 1.6. That's right.
ET13 Tango uniform, contact Bristol radar 125.650. Credit Bristol 125.650, thank you.
1.6, right. So I need to put this thing over there, like that. That's about right. Yeah, possibly. Yeah, that's probably about right. And we need another one. I've got to put something down, running out of hands. Right, so let's get another one. We can either copy that one, just put it there, and copy that one, put it there, and copy that one and put it there. And we've done a big problem now. So undo, undo, undo. Yeah, so what we need to do now is just do that. 1.6, it's probably the same thing, is it? Gotta get this done quickly because got other work to do. Why not just grab a model off GrabCAD? Yeah, you're right. You should have done, yeah. Should have grabbed a model. I always forget about that.
Pioneer 2-1 uniform Yankee when ready to send flight level
You're right.
280 to be level by
Yeah.
access.
John Doe. Welcome to the stream, John Doe. Yeah, I have grabbed models in the past. But I want the little round piece on it as well. I suppose you could grab that. I've got all these little actuator pieces, so I want to be building it with the round one. So I'm going to design it with the round one on. And there are different sizes, so you'd have to get the right size. I've got another one somewhere. It's massive. But yeah, you're right. You could probably just get one already. But I don't know. I've started, so better carry on. You are right though. So let's sort that out. Right, so I've got to back this off. I've got to come off that one. If I grab that and that and just bring that out a little bit, say 0.25. There's a reason for this. There is a reason for this. No, what's that doing? Oh, what is it doing? Don't know what it's doing. I enjoy watching doing things from scratch, just curious, yeah. Yeah, I've always done my own thing. I've never listened to mainstream, but I'll do my own thing. Sometimes you can spend hours trying to find it, you never get quite the right one. So what I'm trying to do now is just give this a little bit of a space, 0.25, so I can bevel these edges away from the hole, which has got to stay flat. Right, what is that doing now? Right. Yeah, I've got to at some point go through the stuff that took hours and hours to make and somehow make a little 2 or 3 minute fast forward thing or something. Just a fast forward. Just so you can watch it grow from nothing to something. Right, so we've got that there now. So what I need to do now is delete this bit here, and that, and that. Right, so and then I can delete that one. So I think, yeah, I can delete that and that. Oh, we've got to get rid of that as well, and that. Right, and the same with this one. That, and that. That. Right, and then that one, and that one. That one and that one, gone. Right.
London Control, good evening, EC2860, descending level 220 Income. EC2860, London Control, Roger, direct Pimax. Okay, Max, EC2860. EC2860, descend flight level 160. Descend level 160, EC2860.
Right, oh, this one now. Right, so that's all of them. So I've got to bevel. So to bevel that, I'll have to just chop that into there, I think. It's just one way of doing it. There's always multiple ways of doing something. And you know, the trick is to pick the simplest and easiest and best way from the start, and if you can't achieve it the simplest and easiest and best way, you have to fall back on it to a different way of doing it. So these lines can go now. You fall back onto a different way. Might not be as good as the first way, but if it's sometimes you have no choice. Right, so we've got to bevel them down a bit. So if you don't know what it is, it's those bevels there, the screws, and you can't see it. Slight bevel on the bottom. Right. So how far down is it? It looks about. Should measure it really. The light's pouring here. So it's looking about 1.6. So tell you what, let's just do 1.6. Right, so we want to bevel it down. So I think we can just pull that down. Can we? No. Right, why not? Don't know why. Why can we not pull them down? Oh, because I've got nothing to. Right, let's just do this then. Oh, hang on. Let's have another look. Oh, it does bevel all the way over actually, yeah. So there's a flat plane and the screws sit down a bit. Oh, there. Right, so Alright, so I've got to push that down a bit, but that has to stay where it is. So the circle I got rid of, I could do with them back again. Right, how do I get that back? The circle's back. Oh my god. Right, I've got to undo some of it.
Easy 2860, speed your discretion, contact Bristol radar 125, decimal 650. Speed at Bristol 25.
Right, so I've got my circles back. Sorry about that, waste of time, but yeah, so I've got my circles back. Why do I need my circles back? Why do I always have complicated stuff? Just want a perfect model that I can use in my model. It's going to be a swing gate, an automatic barrier, and whatever else needs to be articulated. Right, I've got into a mess now, so let's go the other way. Let's put it all back again. Right. Okay, is that the last of it? Nearly. Right, we're back to where we started. Right, let's just, maybe it's not going to be absolutely anatomically correct. So let's just go down 1.6. Right, and then I should be able to bevel.
Bravo descends flight level 100.
Bevel that down.
Descend over 100 again, 5,000.
It's not letting me do it, is it? Oh, it's trying to pull all of it. What is going on? It's a nice effect, but it's not what I'm after.
Cannon 5-1 Bravo, speed your discretion.
Oh, I know why. I'm supposed to do this. Like that. Now will it let me pull them down?
EC8 7 uniform whiskey direct to Webby.
It is, but it works funny. Oh dear, right. I'm rusty. Oh, you can just delete it, can't I? Yeah. I can just delete the surf, delete that one.
Good evening, EC86 whiskey Papa, flight level 310 Tucano, Mac decimal 75.
And we'll sort out these bits in a bit.
Papa London, Roger, after Carno, route direct to Webby. After Carno, route direct to Webby, EC86 whiskey Papa.
Alright. So I go from there to there. There to there, and get rid of that.
Alpine 98 Victor Hotel on shore, good evening, direct to Salco, climb flight level 330, level Salco. Direct Salco, climb level 330, level at Salco, Alpine 98 Victor Hotel.
Okay, I'm getting there.
Good evening, EC8 Bravo, flight level 310, Alpha, the Webby 1 Bravo. Right, yeah, that's 5 Bravo. 2-1, sir, Callan 5-1 Bravo, check, contact Bristol Radar 125650.
Right.
Hello, good evening, this is Golf Uniform, flight level 360 to Ampol. EC6 on Golf Uniform, non-control, Roger, direct to Everin. Direct to Everin, EC6 for Golf Uniform, thanks.
Okay, so we've got that, but we do need to, yeah, I need to bring that down. So if I do one of those to one of those, like that, and one to there, like
Ascot 6201, descend flight level 110. Descend flight level 110, Ascot 6201. Runner 21 Uniform Yankee, you're questioning further descent, please. Runner 21 Uniform Yankee, contact Scottish 118, decimal 780. 1878, runner 21 Uniform Yankee, thanks,
right, so I should be able now to bring them down to the same level.
280 knots or greater.
Let's have a look.
So, descend when ready, flight level 160, level Webby.
They're not quite all the way down, are they, sir? Right, so we've got to bring them down, but not all the way down. That's 1.6. So let's say bring it down to 1.4. Won't let me go. Why not? Go up, not down. Oh, hang on. To offset. I still won't let me do it. That's weird. Undo, push, pull. So why won't it let me go? Why don't you let me go? What is the problem? Maybe, I don't know. Oh, is it that? Why won't it let me go? Because it's gonna, yeah, it's that there. But, okay. So how do I do it then? Temporary mark it off or something, I don't know. How do I get that down? It won't go down. It'll go up, but not down. Obviously, it's this is stopping me here. Ah, I know what I need to do. I need to...
EC86 Whiskey Papa, when ready, descend flight level 160 to be level by WebB, convert to...
I'll tell you what we'll do then. If it won't let me do that, we'll undo...
Descend when ready, flight level 160 to be level by WebB.
Get rid of them.
On conversion speed 280 knots, EC86 Whiskey Papa.
Do an offset off there, slightly in. Slightly in. Is that enough? Yeah. Right, what does that help us? How does that help us? That doesn't help us, does it? God, I don't know. Let's have a look. How does that help us? Let's try it. Oh, that's that. Oh, that's that. Yeah, right. So I've got to fasten it to there. Right. So I need I don't know what I need. Let's have a look. Let's bring that to there. That to there. Does that allow us to push that down now? It does. 1.4. Right. Okay, so we've got some weird looking things going on here. Well, we could sort that out, no doubt, by doing what? Right, so we've got that, and we need to bring that down now. To there. That's okay, because it's almost created this screw for us. Right, fair play. That's not too bad. I can get rid of those ears after. Maybe. So, problem is now I've got to get rid of them.
EC92 Romeo Quebec, descending flight level 220. EC92 Romeo Quebec, London Control, Roger. London Low, CG16 Johnny Hotel, descending flight level 220.
What is going on here?
EC16 Charlie Hotel, London Control, Roger. Fly heading 270 degrees. Heading 270, EC16 Charlie Hotel.
Right. So we've got that there.
EC16 Charlie Hotel, descend flight level 180. Descend flight level 180, EC16 Charlie Hotel. London Patrol, good evening, Ascot 4223, radar heading 310, descending, flight level 160. Ascot 4223, London Control, Roger. Radar 1031, climbing flight level 210, heading 290 degrees. Right now, 10311 London, Roger, turn left heading 280 degrees. Left heading 280 degrees, turn now 1031. Hello, runner 251 November, hello 380 on pump. Runner 25, leaving November, London Control, Roger, direct Everin. Everin, runner 251 November.
Is that it? Can I smooth it out?
EC92 Romeo Quebec, fly heading 270 degrees.
What is going on here?
270 degrees, 92 Romeo Quebec. EC92 Romeo Quebec, descend flight level 170. Flight level 170 is in 92 Romeo Quebec.
That's not there, that's why. There's nothing there.
That's got 4223, turn left heading 290, correction, turn left heading 280 degrees. Heading 280 degrees, that's got 4223.
No, that can't be got rid of.
Radar 1031, requesting anti-offset 360 degrees.
Okay, I can live with that.
Roger, flying flight level 360.
Right, let me smooth it out. Let's try it. Yeah, it's got rid of it.
EC16 Charlie Hotel.
That's okay.
100. Flight level 100, EC16 Charlie Hotel. EC87 Uniform Whiskey, contact Cardiff radar 125.855.
What's that there? Why is that? Oh, it's hollow. So we do need a bevel there now. I'll tell you what, let's just fill that back up. For now, leave it like that for now. Right, so we've got that there.
Will there be any restriction at access?
I've got to do the same again. Now we've got to get rid of this bit.
Maintain flight level 360, but you can expect flight level 280, your level access. 260, expecting 280, level out, beam access, 141.
Come on, you can do it. Why won't you go? No, it's not letting me have that. Oh, it's letting me go up. Why won't it let me go down? Come on. Are you letting me go? No, it's not catching up. Right. It'll let me go up but not down. Alright, so we'll do it a different way. I'll go in like that. To there.
Easy 16 Charlie Hotel, route direct to Pimax and contact Bristol Radar 125.650. Pimax 12565 if you 16 Charlie Hotel Bay. Easy 90 Romeo, Quebec, turn left heading 260 degrees. Heading 260 degrees, easy 90
Right,
Romeo,
this is a bit of a weird way of doing it, I must admit, but I don't know what else to do. No, that wasn't the way to go. Right, so to fill this back in first. Right, so we've filled in. Yeah, we've filled in there. We need to fill that bit in there. And I can now get rid of some extra lines. Let's just see, I don't think there's anything to get rid of there, so that's fine. Okay, and the screw, does it stick in? Alright, it's down a little bit, so we'll drop that down. I'm doing a bit too much here, but so I want to be about there, 0.25. So we'll grab that and drop it down 0.25, smooth it out. Okay, oh, the whole thing needs to be dropped. Should have dropped it first. Now it's going to be difficult to grab it. Right, okay. Let's do some undoing. So first I'll drop it down 0.5. Is that okay? It's probably a bit too much. So we'll go down 0.25, that'll do. Then we'll do the ring 0.25. And we'll drop the sides down by 0.25. And I'll get rid of the extra bits. Alright, so can we get rid of that one as well? No. Right, okay. So we've got our screw, we've got our bevel, we've got our little bit of a weirdness. Now there is a bevel missing here. So to get that bevel right, how do we do that? There we go, like that.
65 Tango Delta, contact Scottish Control 128055, goodbye. Easy 65 Tango Delta.
So that needs to drop down.
65 Tango Delta, contact Scottish now 128055, goodbye.
No.
Nosy 24 Papa November, level 300 and Nosy. Did you do for Papa November on the control, thanks direct, Toljak 2 Bravo. Yeah, Toljak 2 Bravo, Easy 24 Papa November.
Alright, that needs to go.
Easy 90 Romeo Quebec, descend flight level 100.
That one there.
Descend flight level 100, Easy 90 Romeo Quebec.
No, something's happened, that's not right. Alright, so we'll just draw a line from there to there. And I'll delete that one, that one, that one, that one.
Easy Nigel Romeo Quebec speed to Bristol
Okay.
125650. Goodbye. 2565 is 90 Romeo Quebec. Bye.
And we should be able to get rid of that one. That one. Okay. It's alright, isn't it? Do I fancy doing all that again? Not really.
Yeah, we're close enough. I've got direct.
Is there an easy way? Probably.
Continue direct to Grove, and are you declaring a pan or are you not? Negative. So we've talked to Medlink, and they've got paramedics on the ground. But
Right. What do I do? How do I create that? There. Copy it. Can I copy the geometry? Maybe. Let's try. Copy. Paste. Right, so we paste it and we turn it around. Turn it around 90 degrees. We need to grab it from something. Nah, it's not going to work, is it? Maybe it will. Let's just do it. Let's just do it the hard way. Do it the hard way. Right, let's try and remember what we did. Oh God. How can I remember what I did? I don't know. Right, so what did I do? Shit. Right, so I went... I don't know what I did now. God. Right, there must be an easy way to do it. Oh, we've got a bit of an anomaly there, look at that. See it? Weird of it, like a security screw. Don't know what happened there. Shame. That's a shame. Oh well, do we care? Yeah, we care. Oh God, look at that.
705.
Oh my God.
Contact 705, go ahead. 705, yeah, just for coverage on the radio, just recall me please, 133.6.
Oh my God.
133.6, contact 705.
I've messed it up big style, haven't I? Right, well, anyway, we'll get rid of the screw, we'll put the screw in ourselves after.
705, thank you very much.
Let's leave it, let's just leave that. Right, let's get the next one done. I can't remember how I did it though. That's the problem, I cannot remember how I did it. Right, so we set up a bevel. I don't know how I did it now. Help! I don't know how I did it, I forgot. I forgot how I did it. It's not perfect. Damn it. Why isn't it perfect? Oh, there's a kink there, there's a kink there. And there's a funny kink there and there. Right, let's just pretend I didn't see that. I'll just try and do this one from scratch. How do I do it? Right. So I put a line on it. 0.25. Don't know. Maybe that's better. Let's see if I can lower it down.
Ryanair 1031, descend when you're ready, flight level 200, level by bad sea. Descend when ready, flight level 200.
It won't let us go down because that is no good, too wide, so fine. Let's just say, I don't know, 0.22. Now it should be able to. No.
Just remember to your clearance. You're still clear when ready, and clear level is now flight level 230. When ready, level 230.
Oh god. Not having any luck today. Alright. Okay, so how about if I get rid of that? No. How about if I don't get rid of that? I don't know. I don't know. This is not right anyway. Let's just go back. Okay. Alright, so why wouldn't that be right? Oh my god. Hang on. So I want that to come down like that, but I don't want it to go hollowed. 0.25. So why is that? Nah, it's not right. Doesn't like it, does it? Okay. So we'll get rid of. What should we get rid of? Don't know. Get rid of that. Just leave it like that for now. That's right. Right. And we'll grab that. We'll grab that, that, and that. Okay, and we'll copy it. Spin it around 90 degrees. I'll come around here. Grab that there and put it on here. Yeah, we're on there. And then we can bring that down. No, can't bring it down. We're going to go up.
And continue to dolly and then ultimate. Expected tow 21 Lima for standstill. The dolly, ultimate, completion service for Delta 1 Lima for stance, Blue Max 5 Tango.
How did I do it?
Blue Max 5 Tango Alpha, what is your requested level?
Why wouldn't that come down?
Blue Max 5 Tango. That's copy, Tango, call you back.
Oh, I need, I don't know. Oh yeah, I don't know. I don't know how I did it. I don't know how I did it. So anyway, let's just, don't know. I forgot. Right, so if I forgot how I did it, so we've got the copy of that, which is now used to us. Right. What about, I'll tell you what, let's just try copying it. Let's try copying it, this is crazy.
Control 8114, Quebec Yankee, descending flight level 300, Nazi. 114, Quebec Yankee, under control, fast direct, Tojan 2 Bravo. Tojan 2 Bravo, D14, Quebec Yankee.
Right, let's try again.
Descending flight level 300, Nazi. 85 feet, Hotel November, under control, thank you. Direct Tojan 2 Bravo. Tojan 2 Bravo, D5 300, Hotel November.
Right, here. Okay, so we've got the bevel back.
The Max 5 Tango Alpha, you're inside control airspace now, it is a radar control service.
So that's what we want, but we want it on all the corners, so let's just grab that, copy it. Turn it around like that.
Fly heading of 270 degrees and descend to flight level 100. Heading 270 degrees and flight level 100.
Grab that and move it. Oh no, we've already gone down there. Hang on. So by the corner, put it there, and then look at it with an X-ray, so it's there.
Ryanair 24 Hotel Golf, the call was for you. So route
So
to
I just want a line like that.
Ryanair 24 Hotel Golf.
I want rid of that.
And Ethiopian
Get rid of that,
527 on the control. Hello to you, route direct to Lizard.
That and that. We cheat a bit.
Ethiopian 527, you still there?
Cheated a bit. Have we cheated? Did we cheat?
Ethiopian 527, thank you, route direct to Lizard.
Did I cheat? I think I cheated.
And the other station?
Yeah, I cheated.
FR79
Okay.
under control, thank you. Keep the speed 79 or
So we'll cheat again.
Anybody else there?
Alpine 2847, level 130 backpack.
Alpine 2847 under control, thank you. Fly heading 110 degrees, climb flight level 230.
Heading 110 degrees, climb level 230, fine.
Ryanair 24, hold your location, it's going to be a Badger 1 Charlie, Cardiff. And what is your requested level?
Badger 1 Charlie, arrival request flight level 290, Ryanair 24 Hotel Golf.
Advance 24, sorry, Ryanair 24 Golf, thank you, climb flight level 290.
Level 290, Ryanair 24 Hotel Golf.
Easy 24 Papa November, descend flight level 170.
Okay, so we just draw a few lines.
Blue Max 5 Tango Alpha, climb flight level 230.
Blue Max Tango.
85
Okay.
Hotel November, descend flight level 200.
So all we've got to do now is get rid of something.
Ryanair 88 Kilo, descend when
So
you're ready,
this
flight level
stuff.
200 and be level by Badsy.
Number ready, flight level 200,
Oh,
level Badsy,
wrong one.
Kilo.
Blue Max 910 Victor, descend when you're ready, flight level 200, level by Axis. Number ready, flight level 200, level Axis, Blue Max 910 Victor. Ryanair 1031, contact Dublin 135655. Goodbye.
435655, Ryanair 1031.
Right, so hold on, tidying up a bit. Right, so have we got the bottom done? Nearly got the bottom done. Without the details of the screws.
Heading 125650. Goodbye.
Yeah, so we cheated a bit. Let's have a look if there's any artifacts, extra bits, stuff we don't want. I could always do this. Yeah, I got rid of a little bit of stuff, right. Okay, so we've got the bottom, we've got the screws. What's next? What is next? We need to save it. We need to do the cable. Don't forget the cable, because when you're modelling it, if you don't allow the cable gland, you'll find that you've pushed it against something and you won't be able to fit it. So we better put the cable gland on it. So let's get back the right way up. That's back to our axes. Right, so the cable gland comes out here. Do a bit of measuring.
Do you have that?
We don't have that, but we can try go there anyway. I'm buying 247 by.
Okay, 247, do you have...
Right, 6.5 mil by
we're going to be there, so I'm buying 247.
4 mil.
Make it rapid and then you
And
get back on your normal route. So rapid for...
Okay, rapid, Mike India Delta and
6.5 mil by 4 mil.
Bye. Hey, goodbye.
6.5 mil by 4 mil, so we want the centre point. 6.5 mil, 3.25. Didn't work.
Very good evening, Challenge 11 Mike Golf, flight level
3.25. No.
Challenge 11 Mike Golf and the control fast direct Everett.
3.25.
Mike Golf, thank you.
What is going on there? Oh, I know.
1825 Lima November.
Let's try again.
Good evening, Ryanair 83 Whiskey November, flight level 388,
Okay, and it's 4 mil. How high up is it?
Easy 14 Quebec Yankee, descend when you're ready, flight level 200.
So it's from the bevel.
Expecting 61 Bravo. Subject 457 under control, thank you.
3.53 mil.
Thank you, route to 69, Comjet 457.
So it's, I don't know, what, 1.6. So it needs to be 3 mil, so 1.4. So we'll do a line there.
05, you're just going to leave control airspace in approximately 10 miles or so. It'll be a deconfliction service once you're inside control airspace.
It's 4 mil, wasn't it?
And Comjet 705, continue to set down at flight level 130.
Is that right? Doesn't look right. Let's have a look. 6.5 by 4 mil. It is right. Okay. Let's get rid of the lines. We want a bit of a indent similar to that. That'll do. And we want to bring it out by...
Bring it out by... If you'd be happy with runway 12 into Cardiff, I believe there's a 4 knot tailwind if you do go into that way.
5.5 mil. 5.5 mil.
Yeah, we appreciate it.
Right, that's our cable gland.
Thank you very much.
I'll leave it like that.
The arrival was a Badger.
It's a 4-core cable, so we could do. Probably could just do that. What does it do?
Subject 4 X-ray Juliet under control, thank you. Ryanair 24 Hotel Golf, descend when you're ready. Flight level 180, level by Fancy. When ready, descent level 180, level by Fancy. Ryanair 24 Hotel Golf.
No, that's not going to do it, is it? Right, undo. What we got here? We've got 4 points. We need that to be a certain size. Oh well, we'll leave it at that. Leave it at that. Right, so there's the thing. What's next? What's next on the list? The little things that you fasten it with. Yeah. Alright, let's go. Let's find out how far they are. So they go in a bit. They come in a bit. What is it? 1/2 mil? 1/2 mil in. Let's just do that then. So 1/2 mil in. And 1/2 mil in. And it's down from the top by...
Re-entry control airspace now. Major radar control service. You can contact Birmingham 123980. Goodbye. 23980 radar control.
5 mil down.
Air France 79 Zulu Golf, descend when you're ready. Flight level 200, level by Bradley.
And they are thick. 3 mil. 3.2.
In descent 280 knots or less.
3.2. And they stick out at
4 X-ray Juliet, redirect to Pomax, further descent in just a moment.
6.8. 6.8. So they do that. They stick out 6.8. Alright, okay, so we'll do the same again. Around the back of here. .2.
Subject 4 X-ray Juliet, descend to level 100. Level 100, Subject 4 X-ray Juliet. Ryanair 83 Whiskey November, descend when you're ready. Flight level 200, level by Bradley.
and ready for the 200 level up at Ryanair 82 Whiskey November.
6.8. Okay. Yeah, because we're going to be using this servo a lot of times in the models, so I need a nicely modelled servo so we can use it lots of times.
Very good afternoon, evening, Ryanair 63 Golf Juliet 5380 Oxide.
Got some holes in it.
To report light over this. Ryanair 63 Golf Juliet under control, thank you.
See how big the holes are?
Okay, yeah, I've had reports earlier of turbulence at your level.
4 mil, 4.12.
See how there's been any change. 1 second.
So 4 mil holes, 4.12 holes.
Ryanair 83 Whiskey November.
Go ahead, Ryanair 82 Whiskey November.
How's your weather going?
Oh, there's a little extra piece there,
Ryanair
strut.
82 Whiskey November.
Copy, thank you. Ryanair 63 Golf Juliet, if you follow that, it's the company about 40 miles ahead of you, also heading into Dublin, reporting occasional light, so I think it continues for a while. Okay, thank you, Ryanair 63 Golf Juliet. Tom Jet 4 X-ray Juliet, contact Bristol 125
3.7. So go 3.7, and we've got a 4. The whole centre is where? 4.6. 4.6.
Ryanair 24 Hotel Golf, request for attendance.
4.6. And these holes have to be
125 Ryanair 24 Hotel Golf, right.
2.1. 2.1. No, it's not quite right. Almost. Oh yeah. Ow, I just stabbed myself. Just stabbed myself with a caliper. Oh well. 2.1.
London, good evening, Ryanair 56 Kilo Bravo, level 310 to inject. 156 Kilo Bravo, under control, thank you, redirect to Enclosure, and expect a Civic 1 Lima.
Alright, so we need to pull out a
Right
gap.
now to Enclosure, expecting Civic 1 Lima arrival for Stansted, Ryanair 56 Kilo Bravo. London, good evening, Nottingham 5, flight level 250 to inject, expecting Civic 1 November. Nottingham 5 under control, thank you. Civic 1 November it is, and you can redirect to Enclosure. Right, Enclosure, Nightingale 5. London, good evening, Lufthansa 982, flight level 360. Lufthansa 982 under control,
Okay, so we've got the holes ready. We need to get rid of that bit there.
When you're ready, flight level 250.
And that bit there.
Good evening, EC 16 Victor Echo, for 320 to Dawkins. EC 16 Victor Echo under control, thank you.
We're going to bring them down to the floor.
London, good evening, Avianca 121, passing 190, climbing 260. Avianca 121 under control, thank you, climb flight level 300. Avianca level 300, Avianca 121. And from 79 Zulu Golf, speed to Dublin now, 135655, goodbye.
Right, and there's a bit of a strut underneath and above. Let's find out how big they are. Some kind of strut, doesn't it? Is that a strut at the bottom? No, it's flat at the bottom. No strut, and the top has a bit of a strut. The strut is 1 mil. 1 mil strut, it goes to the end. That should be easy to find. Okay, so 1 mil strut. So go this way, 0.5. That way, 0.5. And we draw a line.
Echo Charlie Bravo, flight level 380 to Nazu.
How far does it go?
Bravo and control, thank you. Direct access for the axis 1 mic.
No, they don't go all the way up.
Sorry, yeah.
They only go up a little
direct,
bit.
To access 1 mic is the 84 Charlie Bravo.
Denmark 725, climb flight level 210.
372
Easy 126, echo from this position, I can't give you that direct. I'll transfer you early to the next sector, they may well be able to help you.
So they go up 1.2. 1.2.
Sorry, not say again. I want to be echo the director, and then you can't do that from this position, but the next sector will be able to. I'll transfer you to them in approximately 20 minutes or so, and they will be able to help you. Element, thank you so much.
Alright, so 1.2. So what line from there to there? There
121, climb flight level 360.
to there.
Climb flight level 360, Bianca 121.
No, so,
59 Golf Victor, descend when you're ready, flight level 200.
alright, and we're going to go from there to there. From there to there. There to there. And there to there. Okay, let's get rid of that one. So we've got our little strut. I need another one here. Okay. Get rid of them. So we've got our strut. Right, so it's coming together slowly. Yeah, it's going together. Right, what's next? Let's have a look. What's next? What is next? Oh yeah, we've got a surround. An uplifted piece, yeah.
725, climb flight level 340. Thank you.
Okay, so we've got what have we got here? Stepped in. Let's just have a look at what that is. Trying to measure it. 17.7. 17.7, and we've got on the top 20 mil. So half of 17, so 1.6, 1.5, 1.65, 1.65. 1.65, 17.7, 16.7. Right, undo. Got the calculation wrong. So 1.15. 1.15, 17.7, that's better. So we've got them, and it comes in. It's not a flat, it's almost a flat. There's a sort of a flat there, so that flat comes, but there's a circle in it, so there's a gearbox there. Don't know how I'm going to do that. Let's do the other end first then. Yeah, 19, so it's slightly, very slightly smaller. The one end. Yeah, so let's just come in.
Jet when ready, flight level 200, level by Baxi, Ryanair, 63 Golf Juliet. At 63 Golf Juliet, speed on conversion 280 knots or greater.
280 knots or greater, Ryanair at 63 Golf Juliet.
Right, I don't know. Trying to work that out, it's difficult. 10, no, let's say 10 mil. 10 mil back from an end. Right, 10 mil back from an end. That's the centre. And then we've got the centre. Right, and
Lufthansa 982. Yeah, it's fine. We're getting some occasional light, but we can maintain 360 for the moment. Thank you.
Okay, Lufthansa 982, that is copied. You are cleared when you're ready. Flight level 200 and be leveled by Basti.
Lufthansa 982, when ready, descend flight level 200, level by Basti.
so we've got that. We need to go.
Good evening, easy 8 Papa Alpha 50360 Alpha, expecting the taxi 1 Lima Liverpool. Easy 9 Papa Alpha, then control, thank you, redirect ACOP. Get ACOP, easy 9 Papa
12 mil, and it's 12 mil, and it's 9.5 back.
Bianca 121, redirect Lasno. Redirect Lasno, Bianca 121.
9.5 back, and it's 12 mil. Okay. Right. What's next? Okay, so we've got to draw some lines. And why have we got a line there? There we go. What's that? 5 mil. 5 mil. Okay. So we're going to go around there and round to the sides. Yeah. Do some drawing. Let's do some drawing now. So we've got to go from there. From there to there. No, not quite. There to there. There to there. There to there, and there to there. Right, then we've got to get rid of that. And keep that, I think. Do we keep that? No. No, we don't keep that. We'll get rid of that. Okay, then we've got to bring the whole thing up by so many mil.
Thank you. Direct Westby now and descend when you're ready. Flight level 290. Direct Westby, Tampa ready. Flight level 290. Easy 28. That's rapid.
Oh, there's a slight raised bit.
Balance control, very good evening. Portugal 1326 with you. Flight level 3601. Checking up pop.
Portugal 1326 under control. Thank you. And route now direct to Everin.
So 1.5. Is it 1.5? It's difficult to work it out. No. Two mil. So bring the whole thing up to 2 millimeters. Right, so we're up 2 millimeters. Can get rid of some of these things. Still streaming okay, good. So we'll get this servo finished in a bit. Right, just save that. Right. So we've got, yeah. So now we need to do the rest of the rectangle bit. And there's another little white line. Is that bang in the middle? Not sure. It's from the edge.
You got it ready for 360.
Someone just a moment. Easy 98 Papa Alpha.
So 20 mil.
Go ahead, Easy 98 Papa Alpha. Yeah,
And it's diameter.
smooth Easy 98 Papa Alpha. Thank you very much. Avianca 121, that's traffic just in your opposite direction, about 100 miles away.
3.6.
And they're reporting that it's smooth.
3.6.
20
mil.
Welcome.
Sort of in the middle, isn't it? Yeah. So in the middle of here. How do I get 20 mil in there?
Comjet 457, descent
I got.
170.
Let's see what to do. Oh. So 20 mil.
982, thank you very much.
That's halfway, so let me go up and across. Right, so that's there. Alright, we need to get in the middle of that again. Right, so this needs to be a little bit of a blimp. It's 3.2, is it? Yeah. So 1.6. 1.6. Right, so I've got that there. Is there anything else? Yeah, I might as well draw this square on it as well. 12 mil by just 12 mil.
Good evening, Ryanair 49er56, flight level 3.
So it comes in about.
Ryanair 4956 under control. Hello to you, direct to Slaney.
Direct to Slaney, thank you, Ryanair 49er56.
What have I got there? 1 mil. 0.75. 0.75. 0.75. 0.75. And we come in halfway up to there.
Level 180 to be leveled by City, Ryanair 560 over.
I like that. That looks a bit big, but maybe it's right. Yeah, could be right. Okay. So we draw a line around that. Okay, so we've got that there, and that's the rim. That's where a label goes. I'm sort of flat there, so it needs to come up. It's not a lot. Point. Yeah. Sticks up a bit. Not a lot. 0.25. Yeah. That one comes flush with this. 0.25. Yeah, it's not very much. Yeah, that looks okay. Yeah, so then we've got an indent.
0.5.
A little bit more than 0.5. 0.75. And we drop it down a touch. Drop it down 0.25 as the label goes in there.
What's the bit record?
And
with a nice northern light show up, there's any chance we can turn right heading 060 degrees for a couple of minutes? Yeah, no problem. You want to take
Right, so get rid of that.
0 degrees. How long do you like the heading for?
Just a couple of minutes so that we can have a look.
Yeah, no problem at all. What's the heading 060 degrees? Let me know when you're done.
Very much.
Okay, so we've got that there. Right, that's alright. There's some writing and labelling there. So now we want the shaft. Shaft next. So, oh, there's a little circumference around it. So we haven't quite finished yet.
Level 130, level by Biffin. Sounds like level 130, level by Biffin. Object 456.
And it's a 12.5, so it's a 13mm shaft. 13mm, we want a 13mm here. So it's 6.5. Gives us 13mm. Yep. And we want another, there's another one in it as well, further on than that. So we'll go up the right amount of distance. If you can work that out, it's difficult. .2. So come up 1.2. And we want another one in there, which is 10.7, 11mm. So we want another one. 10.7, so 5.35. And that's only up about 0.25. Is that enough? Probably. Is that enough? It's probably not enough. No, it does look okay. A little bit more. A little bit more, so that's better. Now we want the shaft itself. Need to know the size of the shaft.
Subject 457 Birmingham 123980. Goodbye.
5.6 6mm. 6mm. This is the actual shaft now. $3mm. Right, there's the shaft. That goes up. I'll have to take the top off it. Right, so pull the wheel off to measure how deep the shaft goes. Take the top off the shaft. What the hell? 4mm. 4mm, but this is splined. Do we want to show the spline? Probably not. So, do we show the spline? No. So, we're going to go up 4mm. That's the shaft, and we could colour it. Let's just colour it so we know what it is. It needs to be a gold colour. Gold colour, don't know. That colour maybe. Yeah. And we've got a grey colour. Let's just say this is grey. Let's make it grey. That's grey, but there's a label in there that's not grey.
71 Alpha Quebec, descent flight level 200. Descent flight level 200, 71 Alpha Quebec.
Righty-ho.
Right now, 30 30 Delta Mike, descent flight level 200.
Descent flight level 200, runner 30 Delta Mike.
Easy 84 Charlie Bravo,
mistake,
descent flight level
mistake.
200, level by axis.
Descent flight level 200, level by axis, easy 84 Charlie Bravo.
That's a rubber, that is. That's got to be synthetic. That one. So we'll come back with that one and make it synthetic. Why is that showing a weird thing? Why is that doing that? No reason. It's just glitching.
Nightingale 5, descend when you're ready, flight level 180, level by Zurich.
I'm ready to descend flight level 180, level by Zurich, Nightingale 5.
Oh la la.
London, good evening, Ryanair 1410 Golf, flight level 400, approaching Nauvoo.
Ryanair 410 Golf, Center Control, hello to you, direct to Figsy, 61 Bravo.
Figsy 61 Bravo, Ryanair 410 Golf. London, good evening, Ryanair 918 Romeo, level 380, up the cab.
Ryanair 918 Romeo, Center Control, thank you, and direct to Ichala.
Direct to Ichala, Ryanair 918 Romeo.
Okay, is that it? Is that it? I don't know if that's it or not. No, it's not quite it. We've got to put the wheel on the top yet and colour that synthetic.
16 Victor Echo, contact London Control now 135.580. Goodbye. 3558.
That's rubber.
Thank you very much for your help. Have a good one. No worries, sir. Goodbye.
Thank you for your help. Thank you for letting me fly the plane. Helping me land the plane after I forgot. Right, so this is some kind of blue metallic label. How are we going to do that? No idea. Blue, it's more of a mauve. Okay, so I'll just call it mauve. We can give it a metal. Let's give it a metal. What have we got? What's that like? That looks a bit coppery, doesn't it?
London, November 335, Foxtrot Golf, level 140, direct DIDSA.
Number 335, Fox Golf under control, thank you. And fly heading 250 degrees. You can expect an ICTAM 2 Charlie for your arrival, although I'll transfer you to
I think I like that one.
in the way.
Okay, great. 250 on the heading, ICTAM 2 Charlie for November 335, Fox Golf.
Right, what's next?
Air Portugal 1326, contact Shannon 135.
It's got a bit of a bevel on the top and another hole in it.
35230, Portugal 1326, bye bye.
So let's come in. How big's the bevel? 1 mil? No. 0.5. And it's got a hole in the middle, which is whatever that thread is. 2 mil. 2.3. Didn't know it. I wonder if that is in fact a 3 mil thread. Let's try a 3 mil nut in it. Yeah, it is. So it's so it's a 3 mil thread. So it shows up less because you can't get into the outer thread. So 2 point. Let's just say it's. I don't know. So it's M3, so 2.8, so 1.4, and it goes down quite a way, all the way down into the shaft. So we've got what we've got here. We've got 3.5 plus 5.4 mil, so I'll go down 5 mil. That's it. It doesn't actually touch, there's a slight gap around the base, obviously not a lot, just a tiny bit. So I'll grab that and we'll just do a little tiny bit. 0.1. Is that enough? Yeah. And we'll just take the and come down a little bit. 0.25, that'll do. Right, that's okay. So I've got Servo. That should be Servo. There's a text on it, and never mind. Oh, we forgot some bevels. These corners aren't sharp, they've got a bevel on them. A rounded bevel. We'll settle for a bevel on. 1 mil, 1 mil. Is it 1 mil? No, it's 0.5. 0.5 by 0.5. So draw a line from there to there.
Network 3 Lima Golf under control. Thank you. Direct by C. Direct by C. Network 3 Lima Golf. Ryanair 841 Juliet, descend to flight level 360. Descend, flight level 360, Ryanair 841 Juliet.
Oh, that's not good, is it?
November 5 Foxtrot Golf, pursue navigation direct Bravo Romeo India and descend to flight level 120.
What's going on? Why won't it stick to it?
November 120, no navigation to Bravo Romeo India, Bristol, November 335 Foxtrot Golf.
That's not right, is it? Oh, it's because it's in the air, look. If ever you're doing this and it won't go, it's because the line is in the air instead of going up the right angle. That's in the air. Servo's in the air. Right, almost there. So we should have, we'll do some few checks in a minute. Compare the size we got here against the actual thing.
I think L5.
Oh, we've got to do the... We need some teeth on it. So we can make some teeth, 10 teeth. So if I go down 5 mil.
November 5 Foxtrot Golf, contact Bristol 125.650. Goodbye.
5 mil.
Bristol 125.650, 5 Foxtrot Golf. Ryanair 410 Golf, recall me please 133.6. 133.6, Ryanair 410 Golf. 40, thank you.
Whoops. Well, we could cheat if you want. Should we cheat? Go on then. Let's cheat. Cheat to save a bit of time. Alright, so we'll copy that. God, do we do this? Yeah. Alright. No, we won't. Can't. It's more complicated when it's like that. If it's not a flat thing, let's just carry on the way we were going. 5mm. 5mm is probably quicker, that is, eh? I should have just drawn it properly, but I've got to work this again. 1 minute I was working, next minute I'm not. Now I'm working, so but not tonight. Start at the weekend. Right, is that it? No. Couple more. Okay, so we've got that looks a bit better, doesn't it? Even though it's got no teeth really, but yeah. It's better than nothing. Okay. I suppose we could do that. That looks a bit better, doesn't it? Look at that, makes all the difference. Right. Anyway, right, so what's next? The wheel for the top. That's all we got missing, isn't it? The wheel. We haven't got no screw heads. I don't really care about the screw heads. I've got the glitch going on there still. Don't know why. Can I do anything with it? No. It's just what it is. Right. What's next? The wheel. Right, the wheel's a separate entity. There it is. There's the little wheel. So let's just model the wheel and we'll plonk it on the top after. Right, let's have a sip. Sip of the old drink. Welcome, welcome, welcome to this weird live streams channels.
Control now 127.1955.
My name's Dave. I'll just carry on working all day long at work and all day long when I get home. Never stop working. Well, I could stop working. Right, that's 20.7. 20.7. Is that 20.7? Yeah. So 21mm diameter. Let's just create it here. So 10.5, and it's got some holes around it. I don't think we'll bother with the holes. Oh, we might have to bother with the holes. Do we need to bother with the holes? Yeah, we probably do. Let's put the centre hole in. Right, okay. Right. It needs to be a square, really. God, these holes are complicated. Oh well, we'll have to do them. So, tell you what, let's start our life with a square instead. No, that's not a square. Right, let's start life with a square. So, 21 by 21. No, tell you what, let's go a little bit bigger. So we need to stamp out. So go 22 by 22, and then we'll do the inner circle. That'll thickness. No, the rows are dots. Yeah. So, God, how do I do that? distance between I've got 3 rows.
November climbing service 210 on heading 240.
25 Kilo November, then a control, thank you, and resume our navigation now direct to MEDOG. What is your requested level?
Right, 14 mil. So it's 14 mil between them. So I've got to chop this up into. So 7, 7, 7, 7. Okay, and then we've got to work out the size between the holes. So, well, the hole size, what is that? It's tiny hole, not very big, probably 1.5 mil. Hardly anything. Right, let's see if we can put one in there. What's that? 1. Oh, that's 2. Let's try 1.5. Is that too big? It is a bit too big. So 1.25, that's better. So put these in. 1.25.
75 Kilo Lima, flight level 380. 175 Kilo November, then a control, thank you, and redirect. Bad C, keep speed.
Right, then we've got more to go in.
78 graded direct to Bad C.
Another one, and it's how far away from it? It's about 3.5 away. So what's 3.5 away from that?
Run 81 Whiskey X-ray. Descend flight level 330.
Level 330, Ryan 81 Whiskey X-ray.
3.5. 3.5. Alright. So I want another hole there. 1.25, 1.25, and all the way around 1.25. Okay. Right, so that's what we've got. Now we need to get rid of. Get the construction lines rid of. I can leave the middle ones for now. Oops, come on. Right, so we've got that. Where's it gone? Dropped it. Right, so we'll make it into a circle now. So we know it's 21. Let's put a circle on it. So it's going to be 10.5. Right, so we need to, I don't know if we can extrude that, can we? Can just delete it. Delete that. We just needed the square so we could get the dots in the right place. Okay, actually these can all go now because they're straight through holes. Okay, at least it'll look something like the original. Alright, now we can give it a thickness which is 2.2 mil. 2 mil. I don't think we need that anymore, or that. We want the middle hole in the middle, which is, oh, it's slightly stepped. It's going to have to be a 2-tier thing, this is. So we'll do the bottom first. No, we won't. Let's get the size of the hole. Alright, it's 2.7, so it's a 3, an M3 again. So we do 1.4 again. 1.4. push that all the way through.
Right. 918 Romeo, contact Shannon.
I'll be back in a moment. I'll leave you with that, and I'll give you a back in a second.
Just find the right place in the program, make the appropriate change, and we'll run the whole thing again.
Speech is still very complicated. Music is simpler.
Is that a question?
Yes.
The question is futile.
My interpretation of the data leaves little room for error. The art of leadership is delegation.
That information is not available. This constitutes all available data.
You know what they say. No good deed goes unpunished.
The most logical course of action is to transport me to safety with all due urgency.
Hello, we're back. Oh my god. Anyway, right, almost finished. Almost finished. And you might say, why is he making a servo? Well, I need to use it in some models. Models of things that move. Right, anyway, let's get back on with it. What time we got now? Yeah, we've been alright. Right, so we've got our middle hole. And we're on our top surface, I think. Are we still on our top surface? Yeah, we're still on our top surface. Right. Just make sure you've still got audio. Hang on. Are we still on our... Yeah, we've got audio. That's it. Right, so what am I? Yeah, so I've got our middle hole. So we need an outer hole. That's 8.5 for some reason. 8.5, so let's give it an 8.5. So 4.25. Well, that's quite a substantial thing, yeah. That's how it is. Right, and then we've got a inner diameter. Does it go all the way down? I think it does. 1.8.
Contact Birmingham 123.980.
Yeah, it's a good steps, isn't it? Yeah. So what's that? 1.6. Say 175. 175.
Challenge 552 London Control Bank.
Right.
Direct.
Does that look okay? It looks a bit too much. Bit too much. 1.5. Okay. Right. So then we need to bring this one up. I can't tell if that's lower than that one. Or... Yeah. Right, so 0.5. So we'll bring that one up 0.5. And we'll bring this one up, whatever the size of that is. The overall size is 5.5. 5.5, and we've already got 2 mils, so needs to come up 3.5 plus 2 mil, 5.5. Is there a little roundy bit to it? Sort of, a little bit of round on it.
Descend platform 200 level band C, convert to 280 knots or greater. Descend flight level 200 level by band C, on conversion 280 knots or greater.
Okay. Is there a bevel to the middle? Yes, there is. Okay, that looks alright. Now the bottom, the top's finished. Well, that is the bottom. Depends which way up you got it. So we've got to do something with the bottom now. There's a little bit more going on the bottom. What has we got? Sort of an indent. Let's do the outer one first. Oh, that's all that. It's probably just where it's moulded, I don't know. It's difficult to work it out from this. .5. Okay, 8.75.
Right, 5 November, when ready to send platform 200 level band C, 280 knots or less.
So 4.35. And then it goes down, indented. Is it indented? Oh no, yes, it's got a. It is an indent. It's quite a big indent according to that. What is it? 0.5 mil. Yeah. So go into there. Looks like 1.5 mil again. Let's say 1.25 this time. 1.25, yeah. And then you've got that to the middle, and that dents down. That's flush with that. It's only thin though. Can't see it. I don't know. Well, let's do bit by bit. Let's go down 0.5 mil. And we've got this, yeah, indent there and a sharp bit, so leave that bit there. Let's just do 0.25
Do you have any
and
road reports at flight level 340, please?
No report 34, the only reports we have are light at 36 and 38.
what's that like? Is there a round bit?
Roger, thanks, about 1 bit rather.
I think that's it. I think that's it. Doesn't seem to be rounded. Yeah, that'll do. Doesn't look. It looks ugly though when it's not bevel. Let's just put a bit on it. Right, is that it? Yeah, that's it. That's it. That looks a bit weird around the base of that, doesn't it? Let's have a look. No, that's the way it is. Oh, the wheel itself, does it have a bevel? Slight? No, hardly any. Let's give the wheel a bezel. That as well. Okay, and the back. Alright, okay, that's alright. Now you could go crazy and do all the holes, but I'm not going there. Right, that's it. Okay. Let's colour it, and that's black plastic, the same as this other one. It's the same stuff. Is that it? Okay. Right, so we'll make that into a component. And we've got to make this into a component. Right, and what we're doing now is come back to the top. Okay, so we need to spin that round. 180 degrees. And we need to grab it, make it fit now somehow. Right, so make that fit. So how do we make it fit? We can either grab it from, that looks a lot smaller than the other bit. Doesn't look like it's going to go on. Oh, that bit's bigger. Right, I got you. Okay, so we can start off if we grab it from this bit here and plonk it on there like this. If we can. Not easy. Hang on. I don't think my angle's right to get it to snap. Oh, snap there, but is it on? It is. It's on. Right, it's got to put it on the real thing now and see how far it goes down. I'm going to press it on. It's about a 1.25 gap. No, yeah, 1.25 gap. Let's see what we got here gap wise. 1 mil. So we can afford to go up a little bit. 0.25. Right, okay. So we'll group them two together. Okay, so we've got a servo motor. Let's just take some sizes now from the top of there to the bottom. Make sure I haven't made a mistake. I'll go from there. We know it's 0.25 less, and I'll go from there down to there. No, that's not easy. 44 point. Could do going all the way down. How do we do this? Right, parallel projection. Right, so parallel projection. Measurements. So go from the top all the way down to the bottom. Right. 47.053. Right, 47.053. Let's just see how far away it was. Right, so we got 0 on there. Onto the top, 47.53. Never. Oh, 053. Oh god, I'll show you this, it's funny.
Then 1131, contact Shannon, 135230.
Alright, look at that. There you go. Let's just tighten it up.
KLM 1131, contact Shannon, 135.230.
47.43, and yeah, so we're it's close enough. Close enough. Alright, let's measure across. So we've got 40.5, I think it's about right. Let's measure from there to there. 54.1. Oh, you can't even see that. 54.1. What we got here? 53.9.
We got 1 Victor Bravo.
I'm not worried about that.
200 level access.
Yeah. 0.12 difference. That'll do. Right. Okay. I think that's it. Yeah. That's close.
When ready to send level 240 level 10 before that.
Right. We'll use that. That'll be it for that.
When ready to send level 240 level 10 before battery.
So, what we're going to do with it, now we've got that, we can do things like automatic barriers. We can turn it on its side or copy it, rotate it on its side, and we can turn it round like that. And we've got the side of a little miniature barrier now. So then you could do a quick sketch. You could do a quick sketch of something to fit around it, like a barrier or a swing gate or anything else that needs to be modelled. You could even 3D print that if you wanted now. If you hadn't got one to put in your model, you could print it and use that as a space or whatever. Anyway, so that's it. So we said that's what we were going to do today. Right, okay, we've done what we said we were going to do. Let's have a look at it in 3D. In ISO mode. Oh, we got something else going on there. See that? The lines are going too far down. You can't see them. They're inside. Yeah, so we could get rid of them. Let's do that. Let's just get rid of these.
It's 1336, descend flight level 130, level by business.
Descend flight level 130, level by business, channel 1336.
I just made them longer so they show, go down the track.
133.6, channel 1336.
Not good. Evening right now, 40 Foxtrot November, 360 to Nozzle. 40
Okay.
London, thank you. Route to ACOM, and it's an access for Mike Manchester.
It's okay.
Manchester right now, 40 Foxtrot November.
So that doesn't need to be there, does it? Right, I can go. Have I lost anything? What have I lost? Have I wrecked it? No, I haven't wrecked it, and it's got rid of the glitch. It's got rid of the extra face. So that's what I needed to do to get rid of that glitch. That extra face, it's indicating it's got an extra face. Right, is that it? Are we done? Close enough. Right, okay. We're done. We've got our model. Right, okay. So, is that it? It's a bit sharp here, isn't it? Probably needs a bevel on it. But I think I'll leave it at that. Does look ugly though.
Good evening, climbing for 990.
But I haven't got enough gap to do the bevel, so I'll leave that. Right, so we've got that. We can use that now to model our automatic barrier swing gates or anything. Motor control. So that'll be it for. Let's just check the thumbnail. Keypad, show and tell, servo motor, modelling. Right, yeah, that'll do, I suppose. What time we got? What time is it? Oh, it's late. That will definitely do. Alright then. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'm out of here. Bye bye. I'll leave that one on there, I think, and close down. Voice is gone.
Just find the right place in the program, make the appropriate change, and we'll run the whole thing again.
Speech is still very complicated. Music is simpler.
Is that a question?
Yes.
The question is futile.
My interpretation of the data leaves little room for error. The art of leadership is delegation.
That information is not available. This constitutes all available data.
You know what they say. No good deed goes unpunished.